Welcome to a lesson that belongs to the Test with Spring course. The title of this lesson is Introduction to JUnit 4 Rules, and this lesson has 3 goals. After we have finished this lesson, we know what a JUnit 4 rule is. We can use JUnit 4 rules, and we can create files and directories which are deleted after a test method has been run. Let's start by taking a quick look at JUnit 4 rules. A JUnit 4 rule is a component that intercepts test method calls and allows us to do something before a test method is run and after a test method has been run. All JUnit 4 rule classes must implement the org.junit.rules.test-rule interface. We can do pretty cool stuff with JUnit 4 rules. For example, JUnit 4 provides rules that can 1. Create files and directories which are deleted after a test method has been run. 2. Fail a test if the specified timeout is exceeded before a test method has been run. And 3. Configure an external resource such as a socket or a database connection before a test method is run and free the external resource after a test method has been run. Next, we will find out how we can use JUnit 4 rules in our test classes. We can use JUnit 4 rules by following these steps. 1. Add a public field to our test class and ensure that the type of this field is a subtype of test rule. And 2. Annotate the field with the rule annotation. JUnit 4 requires that rule fields are public, are not static, and are a subtype of test rule. Let's ensure that our test class uses the foobar rule. Let's use this information and find out how we can create files and directories which are deleted after a test method has been run. If we have to create files and directories which are deleted after a test method has been run, we have to use the temporary folder rule. As we remember, if we want to enable this rule, we have to add a temporary folder field to our test class and annotate that field with the rule annotation. We can now create files and directories by using the temporary folder rule. Let's create a simple test that creates one file which is deleted after our test method has been run. In other words, we have to add a new test method to our test class and implement this method by following these steps. 1. Create a new file.txt file. 2. Ensure that the returned file object is a file. And 3. Ensure that the file was created to the root directory of the temporary folder. The temporary folder rule doesn't ensure that the created files and directories were deleted successfully. If we are using JUnit 4.13 or newer, we can configure the temporary folder rule to throw an assertion error if the created files and directories cannot be deleted. If we want to enable this feature, we have to create the temporary folder object by using the following code. We are now familiar with JUnit 4 rules. Let's summarize what we learned from this lesson. This lesson has taught us that 1. A JUnit 4 rule is a component that intercepts test method calls and allows us to do something before a test method is run and after test method has been run. 2. JUnit 4 requires that rule fields are annotated with the rule annotation. 3. JUnit 4 requires that rule fields are public, are not static, and are a subtype of test rule. And 4. The temporary folder rule allows us to create files and directories which are deleted after a test method has been run. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.